Hi everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. Today we're going to be doing a high school website scavenger hunt. The purpose of the scavenger hunt is to make you more familiar with the high school you will be attending in September. I'm not sure how many of you had the opportunity to look onto the website of the high school that you have been accepted to. So that's why I thought that this activity would be great for each and every one of you. Basically, in the first box, first chart that you have here, I have hyperlinked all of the high schools that you told me you were going to. So there are 9 high schools that are hyperlinked here with the names of the high schools that you've told me you've been accepted to. So in order to get to the high school website, you have to click on the name of the high school and the link will show you the website that you have to go to. So you'll just click on the website and it will just take you to the website of your high school that you are going to be searching through for this activity. And each high school has that same aspect of clicking on the name and having the high school already directly linked to it. In order to complete your scavenger hunt, you are to search through your high school website to find the answers to the questions below. Your goal is to answer 6 out of the 9 questions directly in the boxes below. So I'm going to scroll down and show you the questions. These are the 9 questions that I have created for you to answer. You have an option of choosing any 5 of these questions, and everyone must answer question number 5. So you can choose any 5 questions, and you must answer question number 5. I will read all the questions to you just in case you need to hear it. Question 1. What is the name of the principal at your high school that you will be attending in September? Question 2. What are 2 academic programs that the school has that you would be interested in? Question 3. Name 2 athletic teams that your high school has. Question 4. What is the name or names of the 9th grade freshman guidance counselor or counselors? Please list all. So that means tell me all of the names of the 9th grade counselors. Question 5. Everybody is answering this question. As you search through the school website, what was one thing that interested or stood out to you? And please explain why. Question 6. What are the foreign language options at your high school? Foreign language is like another language that you are going to learn at your school. Question 7. List the names of the 2 clubs that you would like to be a part of in high school. Question 8. What time does last period end? And question 9. What time does the second period bell ring at your soon-to-be high school? So those are the 9 questions that you are being asked to search through this scavenger hunt. Please make sure you remember that when you are providing me with your answers, you are going to type them directly into this document. A copy of this document will already be made for you in Google Classroom. Happy hunting! I hope that you make sure that you do as much research as possible and learn something new about your soon-to-be high school. Don't forget, turn in your work on time. Looking forward to seeing your work. Bye.